Do you know what's scarier than a ghost? A blank coding interview where they ask you about linked list. But don't worry, because today we are tackling data structures and algorithms. And no, I promise it's not as boring as the name sounds. We will keep it fun, we will keep it quickly, and hey, there might even be a joke or two. C stacks are not just for pancakes, though they are pretty similar. Both work on the principle of last in, first out, or as I call it, the pancake rule of life. In this video, I am gonna break down DSA into bite-sized chunks. So simple even your get goldfish will understand. Okay, maybe not the goldfish, but you will. So grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in before your next coding interview dives into you. So now let's move to our computer screen and let's do our coding with laughing. So guys, this is our first video on our data structure and algorithm, and this video we are covering two topics. Why DSA tutorial, learn data structure and algorithm. First topic is it, and the second topic is data structures and tutorial. Means in first topic I am telling you about why we learn data structures and how to learn data structures and why the data structures are very important. In the second topic I am telling you what we are learning in this full tutorial of the data structure. In the second topic I am telling you it. So let's come on the first topic by the name of data structures and DSA means data structure tutorial, means learn data structures and algorithm, means why we learn data structures, what the full form is data DSA and why to learn DSA, how to learn DSA, what we cover in this, what we are covering in the future videos of the DSA. So this all the thing I told you in this two topics. Okay, so let's start and let's talk about this all the things. So let's start. Anyways, DSA tutorial, learn data structures and algorithms. First topic, DSA. So what is the meaning of DSA? Data means DSA means D means data, S means structures, and A means algorithm. Data structures and algorithms is the study of organizing data efficiently using the data structures like arrays, stacks, and trees paired with step-by-step procedures or algorithms. To solve the problems efficiently, data structures manage how data is stored and accessed, while algorithms focus on the processing this data. So now, why to learn DSA? Why we want to learn DSA? Why? So let me tell you. Learning a DSA boosts your problem solving abilities and make you a stronger programmer. Number 2, DSA is a foundation for almost every software like GPS, search engines, AI chatbots, gaming apps, databases, web applications, or etc. Number 2, top companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Meta, and many other heavily focus on DSA in interviews. Okay, if you go onto the interview of the Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Meta, many other heavily focus. If you go on to the many other big companies, it focus on the DSA in the interviews. Okay, and you must know this, the DSA is one foundation for almost every software like GPS, search engines, in the AI chatbots, gaming apps, databases, web applications, and etc. And you must know the DSA. Why? Because in the DSA is help you to boost your problem solving abilities and make you a one stronger programmer. If you learn DSA once a time and the problems is coming in the DSA like in time complexity, binary search tree, the question has been coming in the DSA and you give the answer of these questions in any language. So you must know the DSA, you must know the concept of DSA. Once you learn the DSA, so you will be the stronger programmer. Okay, means in the lead code camp, the question has been come in the data means in the DSA type of the question has been came, and you give the answer of this question in any language. Okay, so that's why the people say lead code camp are very important, but because the lead code camp give you the question like on to the question has been depend on the data structure and algorithm. Okay, so please you must know you learning a DSA is very important. It boosts your problem solving abilities. Okay, now how to learn DSA. So now many people are saying I know why to learn DSA, but how to learn DSA? Learn at least one programming language. Let me give the choice of it. C++, Java, Python or JavaScript. These 4 languages. In these 4 languages, you will be learn at least one programming language. It is your own choice. If you want to learn Python, so learn Python. If you want to learn JavaScript, so learn JavaScript. If you want to learn Java, so learn Java. If you want to learn C++, so learn C++. But I want to say you focus on Python because Python is a very beginner friendly language and it is very easy to understand. Okay, so I suggest you to learn Python. It is your own choice now, and build your basic logic in it. First of all, master in this 4 languages, master only in one language. Okay, it is your own choice which language you master it. I suggest you to master in Python. Okay. Number 2, learn about time and space complexities. And why I am saying learn about time and space complexities? Because the question has been coming on any big website is coming on about a time and space complexities. Now, number 3, learn data structures and algorithms. Okay, so first of all, you must learn data structures and algorithms. Number 4, practice the DSA. Please practice the DSA only in one day. Take a 2 hours and practice it. Number 5, solve a problems daily using a GFG, POTD, weekly using GFG weekly contest, and monthly using a GFG jobathon. Okay, so please solve a problems daily. Okay, and the question in the big website, let me give you where you solve the problems daily. You solve the problems daily in the lead code camp, hacker rank, and these all the websites. Okay, because in this website the question is asked you in the data structures related to the data structures and give you the answer of these questions in the any language. So that's why solve the problems daily. Not you are solving the problems like you are solving the problem in the easiest website. Please solve the problems in a professional website. Then your concept will be clearer. Okay. Hoping you have learned a programming language of your choice. Here comes the next stage of a roadmap. Learn about time and space complexities. First, logic building. Once you have learned basics of a programming language, it is recommended that you learn basic logic building, like logic building problems and practice problems on mathematical algorithms. Number 2, learn about complexities. To analyze our algorithms, we mainly measure order of growth, of time, or space taken in terms of input size. We do this in the worst case scenario. In the most of cases, please refer to the below links for a clear understanding of these concepts. And the video of this coming in the below links is coming very different. The video will become. Number 3, array. Array is a linear data structure where elements are allocated contiguous memory, allowing for constant time access. First, array data structure guide and practice the problems on arrays, and the video will become on the array also. The next video will become on the array. Okay, so the next video will become on the array. Now number 4, searching algorithm. So but I told searching algorithm. Searching algorithms are used to locate specific data within a large set of data. It helps find a target value within a data. There are the various types of searching algorithms, each with its own approach and efficiency, like guide on searching algorithms and practice problems on searching and do the quizzes on searching. Number 5, sorting algorithm. Sorting algorithms are used to arrange the elements of a list in a specific order, such as numerical or alphabetical. It organizes the items in a systematic way, making it easier to search for and access specific elements. First, guide on sorting algorithms, practice problems on sorting algorithm, top sorting interview questions, and you must practice on the sorting algorithm interview questions and problems. Okay, because this answer question has been asked you in the interview. Okay, do the quizzes on the sorting. Number 6, hash. Hashing is one technique that generates a fixed size output, means hash value from an input of variable side using the mathematical formulas called hash functions. Hashing is commonly used in data structure for efficient searching, insertion and deletion. First, guide on hashing, practice problems on hashing, top 20 hashing technique based on interview questions, and I make a detailed video on top 20 hashing technique based interview questions. In the future we make these videos, okay? Just wait, okay? We go in the depth of the data structure, so we make all the videos on it, and we do a quizzes also. We also practice a problems on hashing, okay? We go in the depth of it, okay? Number 7, two-pointer technique. In two-pointer technique, we typically use two index variables from two corners of an array. We use the two-pointers technique for searching a required point or a value in array. Like first, two-pointer technique. Number 2, we practice a problems on two-pointer. Also, the detailed video has been came on the two-pointer technique in the future, and in that video we also practice our problems on a two-pointer. Number 8, window sliding technique. In window sliding technique, we use the result of previous subarray to quickly compute the result of current. First, we do a window sliding technique. We do the number 2. We practice the problems on window sliding. Number 9. Okay. So, number 9, prefix sum technique. In prefix sum technique, we compute prefix sums of an array to quickly find the results of subarray. This is the work of prefix sum technique, and we make a detailed video on the prefix sum technique, and we also practice problems on prefix sum. Number 10, string. Okay, strings is a sequence of characters typically immutable and have a limited set of elements, lowercase or all English alphabets. First, we guide on strings. The detailed video has been came on the strings. We practice on our problems on strings. I also told you the top 50 string coding problems for interviews. Number 11, recursion. Recursion is a programming technique where a function calls itself within its own definition. It is usually used to solve problems that can be broken down into smaller instances of the same problem. First, we guide on recursive algorithms. We practice our problems on recursion algorithm. In that video, I told you, and then I also told you 50 problems on recursion algorithm for interview. We also do a quiz on recursion in the recursion video in the future. Number 12, matrix grid. Matrix is a two-dimensional array of elements arranged in rows and columns. It is represented as a rectangular grid with each element at the intersection of a row and the column. Okay, and also the detailed video has been came on the matrix data structure guide. Number 13, stack. Stack is a linear data structure that follows a last in, first out, means LIFO. In the short form, it called LIFO principle. Stacks play an important role in managing function calls, memory, and are widely used in algorithms like stock, span, problem, next greater element, and largest area in a histogram. Number 14, queue. Queue is a linear data structure that follows the first term means FIFO principle. Queues play an important role in managing tasks or data in order, scheduling, and message handling system. First, queue data structure guide. Number 2, we practice problems on queue. Number 3, top 50 problems on queue for interviews. Number 4, quiz on queue. This one example. In the example, we in the data structure and algorithm we learn about linked list. In the data structure we learn about linked list. I'm telling you about a data structure. In data structure we learn about a linked list, matrix, gate, queue, stack, array, hash, heap, graph, string, and tree. And in the algorithms, we learn about pattern searching, divide and conquer, searching, sorting, bitwise, greedy, recursion, backtracking, mathematical, and then dynamic programming. In the algorithm, we learn it, okay? And in the data structure, I have already told you that what we learn, okay? Now, number 15, linked list. Linked list is a linear data structure that stores a data in nodes which are connected by pointers. Unlike arrays, nodes of linked list are not stored in contiguous memory location and can only be accessed sequentially starting from the head of a list. And this one what we are telling we also make a one detailed video on the linked list, okay, in the future. Number 16, tree. Tree is a non-linear hierarchical data structure consisting of nodes connected by edges with a top node called the root and nodes having a child nodes. It is widely used in file system, database, decision-making algorithms, or etc. Okay, we also I told you about a top 53 three coding problems for interviews in our tree video. Number 17, heap. Heap is a one complete binary tree data structure that satisfies the heap property. Heaps are usually used to implement priority queues where the smallest or largest element is always at the root of the tree. Number 18, graph. Graph is a non-linear data structure consisting of a finite set of vertices or nodes and a set of edges or links that connect a pair of nodes. Graphs are widely used to represent relationships between entities. Okay, number 19, greedy algorithm. Greedy algorithm builds up the solution one piece at a time and chooses the next piece which gives the most obvious and immediate benefit. For example, which is the most optimal choice at that moment. So the problems were choosing locally optimal also leads to the global solutions are best fit for greedy. Number 20, we learn about the dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is a method used to solve complex problems by breaking them down into simpler sub-problems. By solving each sub-problem only once and storing the results, it avoids redundant computations, leading to more efficient solutions for a wide range of problems. Now, number 21, other algorithms. Bitwise algorithms operate on individual bits of numbers. Number 2, backtracking algorithm. It follows a recursion with the option to revert and traces back if the solution for the current point is not feasible. Then one more, divide and conquer, a strategy to solve problems by dividing them into smaller sub-problems, solving those sub-problems and combining the solution to obtain the final solution. Okay, then branch and bound. We use in combinatorial optimization problems to systematically search for the best solution. It works by dividing the problem into smaller sub-problems or branches and then eliminating the certain branches based on bounds on the optimal solution. This process continues until the best solution is found for all branches have been explored. First, guide on branch and bound algorithm. Geometric algorithms are the set of algorithms that solve problems related to shape the points, lines, and polygons. Number 1, guide on geometric algorithms, practice problem on geometric algorithm, and the all the video has been came on the it. Okay. Now, randomized algorithms are algorithms that uses randomness to solve the problems. They make use of random input to achieve their goals, often leading to simpler and more efficient solutions. These algorithms may not produce same result but are particularly useful in situations when a probabilistic approach is acceptable. And we also guide on randomized algorithms. Okay, and the detailed video has been came in the future on it. Okay, so now we talk about the what is the data learn about data structures and algorithm, why we want to learn data structure and algorithm, what is the full form is, and how to learn DSA. I told you, and you must know that in the four languages, in the four popular languages, C++, Java, Python, and JavaScript. In these four languages, you first of all master in only in one language. I say guys, you master in Python. It is your own choice. In any language you will master. So please master in these four languages: C++, Java, Python, or JavaScript. In these four languages, master in only in one language. Then first of all, learn in these four languages. Build your basic logic, and then you will be very easy to learn DSA. Okay. So now, hearing said, this topic has been ended very easily. So let's come on our second topic about the data structure tutorial. Now let's start our second topic. Data structures are the fundamental building blocks of a computer programming. They define how data is organized, stored, and manipulated with a program. And we also understanding the data structures are very important for developing efficient and effective algorithms. In this tutorial, we explore the most commonly used data structures including arrays, linked lists, tags, queues, trees, and graphs. Data structures. What is data structure? A data structure is a storage that is used to store and organize the data. It is a way of arranging data on a computer so that it can be accessed and updated efficiently. A data structure is not only used for organizing the data, it is also used for processing, retrieving, and storing the data. There are different basic and advanced types of data structures that are used in almost every program or every software system that has been developed. So we must have good knowledge about data structures. Classification of data structures. This one classification of data structure. In data structure, first of all, you must know about linear data structure and non-linear data structures. In the linear data structure, you must know about the static data structure and dynamic data structure. And the non-linear data structure, you must know the tree and graph. The linear data structure are very big. In the linear data structure, first of all, in the static data structure, you must know the array. And in the dynamic data structure, you must know queue, stack, linked list. Okay. The linear data structure are big. Non-linear data structure are not any big. Okay. In the non-linear data structure, there are only two topics: tree and graph. But in the linear data structure, there are the 6 topics. Okay. So must know that. Classification of data structure. Linear data structure. Data structure in which data elements are arranged sequentially or linearly, which are where each element is attached to its previous and next adjacent elements is called a linear data structure. For example, arrays, tag, queue, linked list, or etc. Number 2, static data structure. Static data structure has a fixed memory size. It is easier to access the elements in a static data structure. For example, array. Number 3, dynamic data structure. In dynamic data structure, the size is not fixed. It can be randomly updated during the runtime, which may be considered efficient considering the memory space complexity of the code. For example, queue, stack, or etc. Number 4, non-linear data structure. Data structure where data elements are not placed sequentially or linearly are called non-linear data structures. In a non-linear data structure, we can't traverse all the elements in the single run only. For example, trees and graphs. First, array. Array is a linear data structure that stores a collection of elements of the same data type. Elements allocated contiguous memory allowing for a constant time access. Each element has a unique index number, and the detailed video will be come on the array. And we also told you in that video, we also told about top 50 array coding problems for interviews. So Having said, we successfully covered about all the 2 topics. In the first topic, we learn about why we learn data structure, how to learn data structure, and why you must learn data structure. And in this topic, we learn about the data structure tutorial and all the things. Okay, so now I hope you understand all the things. So come over to my channel, please subscribe my channel and all the notification bell also, and please access my data structure and algorithm playlist and bookmark it also. So now I'm making a playlist of it when I upload the video of it. Okay, and subscribe my channel. We are very near to 9,100 subscribers. Please go and please complete it. And now in the one video will be coming in the 30 to 35 minutes, but in that one video we cover 3 to 4 topics or 2 topics in only in one video. Okay, because when we if I uploading only one video for data structure, it will be go very long. Okay, so that's why in one video we covering 3 to 4 topics in 30 minutes. Okay, not in 10 minutes. Okay, so now let me give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's move toward on the big screen. Let's give the outro of this video, and I hope you understand about the data structures. And the main topic is in this video, I give the introduction of data structure. You think about it. Okay, so now I hope your concept will be clear, why to learn DSA and how to learn DSA. So the next video is coming on the arrays and strings, and in the next video of arrays, I give you the top 50 problems of that for the interview questions. We talk about many things in that video. So now please wait for the next video. But now let me give the outro of this video into a big screen. So let's move toward onto the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. And there you have it. We just journeyed through the wild world of data structures and algorithms, means DSA, where stacks behave like pancakes, pools are like waiting in line for concert tickets, and trees grow sideways. But hey, at least they don't need watering, right? From understanding stacks and queues to traversing those binary trees, you officially unlock some serious coding superpowers. Now, it's your turn to put these concepts into action. Start practicing, break down problems, and remember, every great coder started by learning the basics. And hey, don't stress if you get stuck. Think of debugging and solving a mystery, except you already know who the culprit is. It's you, it's always you. If this video helped you or
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for
the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness.